Hey guys, guess what time it is? It's time for another unboxing. My seasonal FabFitFun box came in. So hard to say. So let's open it together. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. I did not post a video yesterday. Actually, I kind of sort of did. The video I filmed, there we go. The video that I filmed and had ready for you for Monday, set to schedule. For some reason, the ones that I'm scheduling are not releasing when they're supposed to. So, it didn't really go live till midnight when I realized it, because I was up in the middle of the night, between Monday night and Tuesday morning. So, I just didn't post yesterday. I was feeling a little tired all day. And it's probably because I woke up in the middle of the night. And when I wake up in the middle of the night, usually I have a hard time going back to sleep. Because once my eyes are open, that's it. Anyway, long story short, I do have an unboxing for you today. And I'm going to probably sit and also film another video. If I don't do it this morning, I will do it probably this afternoon. It's very heavy on my heart. And something that I feel is very relevant to many of us. But without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing. My first seasonal box was the winter box, and I shared that. I'll make sure that at the end screen, at the end of the video, I'll pop that one up so you can look at it if you'd like to. I'll also link it down below. That particular box, since it was my first one, I could select a few items. I could pick and choose, which was kind of nice. So I kind of knew what was coming because I'd already seen sneak peeks and I knew some of the items that I was already getting. This time I've seen sneak peeks, but I did not take the option to select a few items. I wanted to be fully surprised. Unlike the Erin Condren seasonal box, that is a surprise seasonal box. To me, it's not a surprise because they're all exactly the same. There's options and you don't really know what you're getting, which is kind of fun. But they give you a notice ahead of time that you can add on items at a great price. Shelby, leave the kitty cat alone. So I went through the list. I found something that I wanted to try, and it's this mask bar. Illuminizing charcoal peel off mask. I have never done a mask, never in my life. I am pretty blessed with clear skin, but I do wear makeup quite often, and so I just wanted to try it. We'll see. And I think when I do this, I will do a film. I will do a video, maybe just a chit chat Q&A or something. So I did purchase that. It comes with 3, and I think I paid like $5, maybe $5 for it extra. Let's hop in to see what's in this FabFitFun box. Yes. Okay. I may have to move you guys. I'm not 100% sure, but let's open. Oh, hold on. Okay, I had to cut the seal on the bottom. So let's open this together. FabFitFun Spring 2019. I am going to capture, sorry, because, you know, thumbnail stuff. So, of course, they give you a magazine, and some HelloFresh discount. So, let's see what else is in here. This kind of got ruffled in the shipping, eh? Let's see. Let me get out my magazine. This will tell me everything that I need to know. All right, let's see. Oh, look at that. It's from Jada. It's Jodzi. I see that she has her own line, and it's some copper measuring spoons. Yay! These copper measuring spoons are perfect for baking and cooking. The copper-plated measuring spoon set is the perfect chic addition to your kitchen. They retail for $15. And Jada has a few recipes in this magazine. We might have to play and try. Nice. Let's see. Let's see what this is. You guys, I was going to paint my nails this morning. I just didn't get to it. This is the Vivian. Let's see. These are by Quai, Australia. It's Vivian in black smoke sunglasses. Let's see. And I really needed a new pair of sunglasses. You guys. Well, we're struggling here. How about that? I'll put them on and model them for you in just a bit. So we're going to put these here. Those, let's see, these oversized aviators feature a black metal frame, double bridge, and adjustable nose pads for the no-slip wear. They retail for $60. You guys, this FabFitFun box is $49.99 or $49.95. I might be off on pennies. So just your sunglasses paid for this. And then some. That is one reason why I love this box, is because you get way more product than you pay for. Tula Probiotic Skincare. It's a purifying face cleanser. What is the universe trying to tell me today? That I need to clean my face. Okay. This isn't an ordinary cleanser. It uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, and makeup while leaving the skin balanced and clarified. This retails for $28. And it gives a tip to massage the cleanser into wet skin in small circular motions. Then rinse. Awesome. Okay. And we have another. What is this? I cannot pronounce that. Uai? I don't know. It's a leave-in conditioner, which you guys, oh, my hair gets so dry right now. So we're always obsessed with this multitasking leave-in conditioner. It works all day to smooth, soften, detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhanced heat protection. It retails for $26. Mist lightly throughout your damp hair prior to brushing. Nice. I have some products that are hit and misses that I want to share from my Ipsy boxes over the last, or Ipsy bags over the last year. So I will be sharing those with you very soon. And one of them is a leave-in conditioner. Oh, yes. This I know I could use. Let me just see. Is it a new turn page? No? I don't see what this is. I don't want to guess because alright. You see with me, this is a no more baggage. It is an eye depuffing gel, which is nice. I'm going to open it. I want to see. Oh. Needles no more. Dr. Brandt. That would be interesting. Maybe it's the weather, but I've noticed some difference in my face over the last little bit. All right, and let's see. Relax. Champagne charcoal scrub. Exfoliant. So it's a scrub. So let's find you. Oh, there it was. Hold on. Let's go back to Dr. Brandt's. Where'd it go? Here it is. Dr. Brandt's. This is visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution. It retails for $42. This alone almost pays for your box. The tip is don't be afraid of the salmon shade. It's meant to color correct dark circles. Use your ring finger and put a pea-sized amount directly under your eyes. Awesome. Maybe I'll do a get ready with me and use that. And this is, again, this is a charcoal scrub. Manna Kadar Champagne Body Scrub. Formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, and the Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. $24 is what it retails for. And apply evenly onto the body while gently massaging the skin, and then rinse. So this may be a great exfoliator to use about once a week. This scrub, let's get rid of that. This leave-in conditioner and this, all three of these products were in every single box this spring. So those three things everyone received, which will be nice to try. And this is Show Me Your Moo Moo. This is a kimono. No, it's a robe. Show Me Your Moo Moo Brie robe. Just stepped out of the shower, planning a day of lounging. Slip into this beautiful floral print robe, which features a removable belt and a high-low hem. So, of course, it's higher in the front, lower in the back, and it's this beautiful floral print. I'm not going to open it. I want to take a picture. But this is pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. This retails for $84. And the tip is hand wash in cold water and lay flat to dry. So that retails for $84, you guys. We are going to take a lovely picture. If I can get it all in here. Alright guys, that is my FabFitFun box. I will leave a link down below if you are interested in maybe signing up to get your own, at least just to try. It will save you $10. I got an email yesterday because they knew that I was, sorry, I'm going to capture that. They knew that I was receiving this box yesterday, and I was given 4 boxes to give away. So if you're interested, just leave a comment below and I'll get with you on how to get that. So there you go, my friends. I love FabFitFun. It is so fun. Well, how'd you like that? There was lots of goodies in that box. This is what the glasses look like on me. My husband will tease me for having bug eyes. I personally like them. Having light colored eyes, the sun, when it's really bright, really kind of bothers my eyes a lot. So sunglasses are definitely a must for me, especially driving or if we're outside a whole long time. Of course, everybody in my house has blue eyes, so we all struggle with that same shtick. And then I forgot to show one thing in the box because I didn't see it. This is a necklace. It's by the Two Bandits. It's just a little, it's just got got like a little quartz charm on it like that, and then on a silver cord, which I prefer silver over gold anyway. It just looks better with my skin tone. That is that. Thanks for sticking out for another unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Toodles!